I'm Rainer Grill from ZIEHL-ABEGG. This is an electric motor for lifts. Normally it's produced with rare earth magnets. This is a big problem, and because rare earth magnets are limited by the Chinese government, and rare earth magnets are a problem for the environment. And now we find a new solution. We changed this kind of rare earth magnets and put in ferrite magnets. Ferrite magnets normally are not so strong as rare earth magnets, so it's a problem to receive the same power in a small lift shaft. But we solved this problem. Our engineers find a solution to bring the same power in the small space with ferrite magnets. And I'm happy that we will start the serial production in summer this year, and we will also start a production in India. Hannover Messe 2026, we will show a lot of new things. Fans, electric motors, we are making esports, we are making TikTok, and I'm happy to welcome you at our booth in Hall 13, and you will be astonished what we will showcase you.